In approximately 2 months, the Galaxy S24 series is expected to launch, and there's a buzz among accessory makers preparing for the release. Ice Universe, a reliable source, recently uncovered screen protectors designed for the upcoming phones. From the leaked images, it appears that the Galaxy S24 phones will maintain a similar design to their predecessors, with rounded corners for the Standard and Plus models and sharp corners for the Ultra model, consistent with earlier mock-up leaks. A notable departure from the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the absence of a curved screen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The screen protectors show a distinct lack of curvature compared to the slight curve seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Reports also suggest that the phones will feature even and balanced borders, potentially thinner than the current generation. While it's not entirely clear from the pictures, the Galaxy S24 seems to have a slightly larger screen, possibly resulting in a taller and slimmer device. Conversely, rumors suggest that the other two models may be slightly thicker than their predecessors. One of the most significant changes is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat screen, a shift likely to be welcomed by many potential buyers. Curved screens, though aesthetically pleasing, can be inconvenient due to increased susceptibility to accidental touches. They also pose challenges when applying screen protectors, and using a stylus on them may not be as enjoyable. The actual performance of the Galaxy S24 series in everyday use will be revealed when it hits the market in January 2024. Anticipated features include a titanium frame, a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, and rumors of a switch from the current periscope camera to a 48-megapixel telephoto camera capable of 5x zoom. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.